I'm going to share with you the virtual reality process from Abraham Hicks' book, Ask and It Is Given. This process will benefit you in two ways. First, you will become familiar with the feelings of non-resistance, allowing you to detect when you have shifted into resistant thought at an earlier stage. Second, when you are able to detect it earlier and practice it long enough that it is easier to move out of resistant thought, you are able to maintain your state of non-resistant longer. Thus, the law of attraction will respond to you in a more positive way. Hi, I'm Chats. I used to be an industrial engineer improving machines' efficiency, but now I'm sharing my knowledge and experiences on how we as humans can manifest our desired life more efficiently. I'm also a dog parent, so if you are interested in attracting joy and abundance with your dog, follow me or subscribe to my channel. Now, to start this virtual reality process, first, you need to choose a location that makes you feel really good. This can be a real place you have visited or a place you have seen in a movie, or it can even be a place you created in your imagination. Next, consider the time of day, the weather, and how you are dressed. Is it in the morning or evening? Is it hot, cold, or windy? If you choose to bring someone else in your virtual reality, make sure that it feels good to have them there. Next, what kind of mood are you in? Are you laughing or just sitting there contemplating? Once you have set this scene, imagine and feel. This is an example of my virtual reality. It's 70 degrees with scattered clouds and the air feels wonderful on my skin. I have no shoes on, so I'm enjoying the feeling of the cool, clean sand under my feet. My clothes are loose-fitting and very comfortable, and I feel very good in my body as I lazily walk down the beach, feeling strong, happy, free, and secure. My dog is with me and she's loving the glorious day as much as I am. It's just me and my dog here. I'm enjoying watching her prance, leaving a trail of paw prints behind her, sniffing the sand and enjoying this lovely beach. I'm very glad that we have come to this place. It was a very good choice. My dog runs up to me, circles around, doing the zoomies. What a lovely day. That's it. This game works best if you get into the scene quickly, bring yourself into a place of feeling good, and then get out. If you stay too long, you would get too logical and may even start trying to fix people or things. Remember, this process is not one where you try to fix something that is broken. It is a process where you deliberately activate a scene in your own mind that causes you to transmit a vibration matching the scene you have activated. Abraham recommends doing this game when you are driving, standing in line, or lying in bed. You can even set aside dedicated time for it. It's also important to note that this process is most effective when your emotional set point is somewhere between joy and boredom. If you don't have the book, you can go to my virtual reality blog post and scan the 22 categories of feelings on the emotional guidance scale. I hope you learned something new from this video. Let me know in the comment if you like this virtual reality process or you want to know other processes that Abraham gives in this book.